Hi, in this video we are going to learn about conversion of local date time to date. So basically we are not using time zone. So without time zone we are going to convert local date time to date. So let's start. We just first create one instance of the local date time. Now first consider current instance of time, and I create a local date time formatter. So currently I consider this format year, month, day and time. Now I formatted date, convert local date time to string first. Now I print out and let's check out it is converted, formatted proper or not. So it is not generated any exception, means it will working. Now I put here one SOP and again run this program and check. Now date is converted, local date time is converted in string. Now our next step is our string to date conversion. So we know how we can convert that. Simple date time, date format, simple date format. Now I again convert this format. Currently string value is like this format. So again I simple date format consider is its same format, and now create one instance of date and simple date format should be parsed with value. Now simple date format dot parse or formatted string value. Formatted value. Now I again put here one SOP, check out converted date is converted properly or not. So if not converted, then is generate here exception. So now I run this program and checking out. Now we can see that local date time is converted in a date. So here we cannot use any time zone. So without time zone we can implement this conversion. So first we do what we do here. First create one instance of the local date time of current system local date time here, and create one date time formatter. So it should be this format, and we get value in a string value. So I got string value, and now second step is his string value is convert in a date. So for date string value to date conversion, for we need to simple date format, and it should be same format which is used date time formatter, and simple date time formatter it is helps to parse the string date to actual date. So this way we can convert the local date time to date without time zone. So it is a trick or it is a one technique to conversion without time zone. Now I again run this program and checking out. So that's it.